Patricia here from Winona Public Library. I'm sure many of you are wondering when the doors of the library will be open again. I don't have a strict set date to tell you, but I can tell you that we have been working very hard along with the city's emergency response team in order to create a reopening plan that is safe not only for our community but also for our staff. So please stay tuned in the coming weeks for new services that we will be rolling out. We want you to know that we are still here for you. We are still working very hard as your public library, and we will continue to do so throughout any sort of obstacle that comes our way. However, today I am here to talk with you guys about the summer reading program. It starts on June 8th. It won't look the same as previous years. We have spent the last over a month or so completely reworking the summer reading program. We will not be able to host in-person programming this summer, but we have thought of some really great opportunities for families to still engage with the public library this summer and to still get those creative juices flowing and working those brains over the summer so that you do not have the summer slide. We strive to be a constant positive force in the lives of Winona County's children, and so we want to continue that this summer even if it cannot be face-to-face. We will be inviting our patrons to register through a website or app called Reader's Zone. And they can track their time from home. It allows families to register more than one child on a single login. It includes a reading timer, which the kids can start and stop themselves so they can keep track of how much time they're reading, as well as a place to log minutes and badges that are earned for each level. I will be posting links with this video to help you get a better idea of what Reader Zone is, but I will also be posting a tutorial video prior to June 8th. We will also be visiting various Winona area public schools lunch sites in order to reach children who do not have regular access to internet, because we do recognize that that is not something that is a given that every family has, and we understand that. And we still want you to participate in our program. While this is a tough time for all, both personally and financially, Winona businesses and Winona in general continues to come through for the kids. Children will still receive fantastic incentives thanks to the support from Lakeview Drive-In, Topper's Pizza, W&B Financial, and McDonald's, as well as the Friends of the Winona Public Library. Prize distribution will happen towards the end of the summer in a pickup style rather than coming in to claim weekly prizes. Moving on to our programming, we will not be able to host in-house programs, as I mentioned before, for the time being. This includes our large summer performances that are hosted at the History Center. That's a huge bummer for us. It's one of my favorite things to do every summer, but we want to be sure that we are keeping our community safe and leading by example. But we will be continuing a virtual story time. These will be on Tuesday mornings, and those can be viewed at any time after its premiere on our social media pages as well as our website. We will be preparing grab and go activity kits for elementary age children every Monday through June and July. These include all supplies needed and instructions on how to complete the activity. These include instructions and lessons on constellations and ancient Egypt and forensic fingerprinting, and many more topics. We have 7 of those throughout the summer, and they will be on a table outside the library on Monday mornings starting on June 15th for families to come and take as supplies last. We will be providing similar kits for early explorers in the 3 to 6 year old age range, and these will be distributed in a similar fashion, except for they will be on Thursday mornings. Youth staff has prepared storytime kits that can be checked out to childcare providers or families who would like to facilitate storytime at home. These will include 3 themed books, a song or activity sheet, as well as crafting supplies, and they can be requested through our website so you can host storytime at your house. Junior and young adult book clubs will still happen, and we're very excited for them. They will be virtual. With the help of W&B Financial, we have purchased books for each attendee, as we know that routing books between libraries. It's not as easy as it used to be right now with all of the closures from certain libraries. So we have purchase books for each attendee. So when you register your child, we will follow up with a time to pick up the kit, which will include the book and other crafting supplies needed to participate in our Zoom meetups. It will also include the discussion questions if you would rather your child read the book and do the activities, but you don't really want them in the Zoom meetings. That's completely fine with us. We've included the discussion questions if you want to just host that discussion at home. There will be more fun as the summer continues. This is not everything. This includes virtual performances and programming for teens, but I just wanted to be sure that you all knew that we are still thinking of Winona's kids, and we are continually coming up with ideas for them to be creative this summer, and as I said, to help prevent that summer slide. The summer reading program is always a highlight of my year. I wish that I could fill the library with all the excitement and anticipation that we typically have with our programming. We usually were packed wall to wall with kids for programming. But in order to safely support our community, we need to operate this way for now. You can find more information about each of the programs that I mentioned above on our website at winona.lib.mn.us. We hope that you will still join us this summer as we dig deeper into a variety of intriguing topics and have safely distanced fun together. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out on our social media pages. You can go on the Ask Us chat on our website that I mentioned earlier, or you can also email us at winonapl@selco.info. And we are happy to answer any questions that you have. We are still here for you. We're working very hard for you, and we're very excited to try this new method this summer, and we're rolling with what we have, and we're continuing to be positive about all of the good things that are happening around us. Have a great day, everyone, and I'm excited to spend my summer with you. Bye!